iMusician for Musicians' honest review. Watch before using. If you're a musician looking for an all-in-one solution to distribute, promote, and monetize your music without hassle, then iMusician could be exactly what you need. Designed specifically for independent artists, bands, and labels, iMusician offers an easy-to-use platform to upload your music to all major streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, and Deezer. It also handles music sales on platforms like iTunes and Amazon, so you're not missing out on any potential revenue. One of its standout features is that it has no subscription fees. You pay once and keep 100% of your rights and royalties. This is ideal for musicians who want full control over their work. Additionally, iMusician provides transparent reporting with real-time analytics so you can track how your music is performing across platforms. The platform also offers tools to help with mastering, so you can ensure your tracks sound polished, no matter your budget. Plus, they provide licensing and copyright management services, taking the guesswork out of protecting your intellectual property. iMusician is made for musicians who want to focus on their craft without dealing with the complexities of music distribution, legal aspects, and promotion. You can also use their promotion tools to help get your music into playlists and reach a wider audience. The community support is another highlight, offering resources and tutorials for musicians at all stages of their careers. However, the platform is not without its drawbacks. iMusician's customer support can be slow at times, and while the one-time payment structure is appealing, the added fees for extra services like playlist pitching may not suit everyone. Overall, though, iMusician is an excellent choice for musicians who want a straightforward and reliable way to manage their music distribution without losing ownership or getting bogged down in recurring costs. So if you're ready to take full control of your music career, iMusician might be worth a try.